rainy day in the RV. But you know what? I got a place that you and I can both go to that'll take this rain and throw it out the door. What do you say? You want to come with me? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye. And you know, the last time I came to Seminole State Park, I did a lot of hiking. Are there any gators in there? Ooh. Still haven't seen a gator on a hike yet, but I know I'm going to one of these days. You know, took some great photos. I had a really good time. The one thing I didn't get a chance to do, that was to get into the lake. You know, if you're enjoying the content that you're seeing here on the RVJedeye channel, hit that subscribe button, share, hit that bell notification. That way, whenever a new video comes your way, you'll be the first to know. So tonight, I'm doing something special. It's a sunset kayak tour of the lake where they say you can get some great pictures. So I'm going to do that and share that with you. Hope you like it. The tour was offered by the park. They actually called me up to see if I wanted to do it when I came in, which was kind of nice. It was about $15 to go do it. There was one other couple with me, Cheryl and Ken, and then Jason was our tour guide, and it was fun getting out on the water. Now, you don't have to have a kayak. They provide everything, the kayak, the paddle, and the safety jacket. So you're all set to go out and do it. This kayaking stuff is kind of cool. I wonder if maybe one day I'll get one. I have to get a little bit more comfortable with it, though. Right now, I have to admit, it's still all a little nerve-wracking. To get some of the video and shots out on the water, I use my Faux Pro, that's a faux GoPro, to get some of the shots. A video like this, shots like these, all from the Faux Pro. I also used my iPhone, which I put in a plastic bag and took out with me and got shots like these. And all of the video basically was from the iPhone. So it's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see me. I'll try and turn around and do it this way, but we're waiting for the stars to come out. It's been a really cool tour. Hopefully we'll get to see some, but here, let me show you a little bit of the sunset over here. Okay, so I turned on the light. Let's see if this makes any difference. It's pretty cool, really neat. If you get a chance to do it, make sure you try it out. So there you go, the Sunset Kayak Tour here at Lake Seminole. Make sure you check it out if you can. It is absolutely fantastic. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye. And of course, you can follow me on the blog at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, RV, kayak when you're out. Have fun.